Yes, good afternoon everyone. 3 Pine, good afternoon. I think to everyone. I think I am audible and visible to everyone. 3 Pine. Yes. Okay. Quickly open your math magic. Open your math magic. Yesterday we have, not yesterday, in the previous class we have completed up to page number 67 of chapter 5, shapes and designs, isn't it? Chapter 5, shapes and designs, we have completed up to page number 67. We have to start the new topic in page 67, that is the 7p stangram. The 7p stangram. So let us start page 67, the 7p stangram. Okay, I am reading the book, you just go through it. Up till now you were reading about 5 pieces of tangram. Now you will read about 7 pieces of tangram, and as you know, this tangram means it is a Chinese puzzle. Okay. So, the 7 piece tangram. Here is the picture of a 7 piece tangram. You can cut out these pieces and put them together in different ways to make some very interesting shapes. Yes. In the previous page it was 5 pieces was given to you, and you have to shape that 5, you have to just assemble that 5 pieces and you have to make different shapes. Now here it is given 7 pieces. Now these 7 pieces you have to assemble and you have to make different shapes from this 7 pieces. Okay. Now turn the page, come to page number 68. Turn the page and come to page number 68. Try making these shapes. Try making these shapes. Yes, everyone mute your microphone. Everyone mute your microphone. Everyone mute your microphone. Otherwise my voice will not be clear to you. And switch off the front camera. Triporna, switch off your front camera, otherwise my voice will not be clear and I will not be audible to you and visible to you. Okay. Yes. So come to page 68. Try making these shapes. See, from that 7 pieces of tangram you have to make these type of shapes. The first one, it is looking like a duck, isn't it? So you can assemble all the shapes and you can make the shape like this. And the second one is somewhat looking like a cat. So you can take all the shapes and you can frame it in such a way that it will look like a cat. Now try making the following shapes using only the pieces written here. Now you have to make some of the shapes which is given here, and you have to take the shapes only which is mentioned. Okay, you have to take the shapes only which is mentioned. That means in the first one, suppose it is given use only triangles. It is a hexagon given, the 6 sides. The first one, I am talking for the first one. See the first one, it is a type of hexagon is given and you have to draw that hexagon with the help of only triangles. That means from the tangram you have to collect the triangles and you have to frame the triangles in such a way that it will look like a hexagon. Okay, it will look like a hexagon. So everyone take out your copy and try to draw this figures with the help of scale and pencil in your copy. This is page number 68. So everyone mention page number 68 and start drawing as we have done in page number 67. in page number 67, with the help of the 5-piece tangram, we have done, see the first one square, then the second one we have done one triangle, and the third one we have done one parallelogram, and you have to take the pieces like 2 and 5. These 2 pieces of tangram, 5-piece tangram, that you have to take, and you have drawn these 3 pictures, isn't it? This we have done in the earlier class, and in today's class you have to take 7-piece tangram and you have to make the picture as shown in the first one using only triangles. No need to write by using triangles, okay. Directly you will draw the shapes. Directly you will draw the shapes, but earlier we have already written that using triangles 2 and 5 to get square, like this we have written. Using triangles 2 and 5 to get the figure of a parallelogram, this we have written in the earlier one when we were doing 5 pieces of tangram. But when we are doing 7 pieces of tangram, we need not to write, directly we will draw, clear. So, directly we will draw. So, this is the first one, page 68, page number 68. Okay, I am doing the first one by using only triangles. By using only triangles, you have to make a hexagon. You use scale and pencil to draw this. Use scale and pencil to draw this, okay. This way you can make the first figure. This way you can make the first figure. Take the scale and pencil to draw the figure. Take the scale and pencil to draw the figure. Yes, Aditi, I think you have drawn the first one. You have drawn the first one. Now the second one. Second one. Second one, use pieces 1, 2, 3 and 5. In the second one, a rectangle is given, and this rectangle you have to make by using pieces 1, 2, 3 and 5. Okay. By using pieces 1, 2, 3 and 5, you have to make a rectangle. So, let us draw the one. Let us draw the second one. You have to make a a rectangle. So, first I am taking a triangle. it will be like this, the second picture. Okay, the second picture will be like this. This is piece 1, this one is piece number 5, this one is piece number 2, and this is piece number 3. So, with the help of pieces 1, 2, 3 and 5 of 7 piece tangram, we have made this one. Okay, we have made this one. Now the third one. Use only 2 triangles. Now here it is instructed that you will take only 2 triangles from the 7 piece triangle and you have to make a square. You have to make a square. Okay. You have to make a square. Now can I rub the board? Yes, Aniruddha, it is correct, but the gapping should be less. The gapping between the pictures, it should be less. Okay. Aniruddha, between the pictures should be less. Others also try to draw and upload in the chat box so that I can see your copy, that whether you have drawn it correct or not. Others also draw and upload it in the copy in the chat box. Aniruddha, I think you have to rub it and do it again. The gapping is not proper and the figure third one is not proper. That one you have to draw it properly and always use the scale. Okay. Triporna, what happened? What you were writing? Triporna. No, Triporna. The first one, you have to use all the triangles. All the triangles. This second one you have taken 4 sides. See in your copy, it has 4 sides in your copy, but it should be triangle with 3 sides. Moyuk, it is correct. Moyuk, it is correct. Triporna, rub this one and do it again. Okay, quickly rub it and again upload it in the chat box so that I can see whether you have done it correct or not. Triporna. Others also draw it and others also quickly draw it and upload in the chat box so that I can see whether you are doing it correct or not. And those who have completed first and second, do number 3 of your own. It is very easy. Do number 3 of your own, it is very easy. Shatvik, the same problem with you also. The same problem with you also. This one is a triangle, not a square. You have done a square, not square, you have done a 4 quadrilateral with the 4 sides. This is a triangle. Join here properly. Join here properly. Aniruddha, yes, it is correct, but I can see only one. Draw the second one also. I am able to see only the first one. Aniruddha, you have not taken the proper shot. I can see only the first one, not the second one. Aniruddha. Linoy also, the first one is, do it properly. Linoy, do the first one properly. Anushri, it is wrong, do it properly. Anushri, it is wrong, do it properly. Yes, Aniruddha, it is correct. Aniruddha, both are correct. Both are correct. Anushri, do it again. It is wrong. See the pictures properly and do it again. Anushri, it is wrong. Yes, do it again. Okay, now come to the third one. Now come to the third one. Take the pencil and the scale and try to do number 3. Number 3. Three pine. I am rubbing the board. 3 pine, I am rubbing the board. Okay, now come to number 3. Number 3, with only 2 triangles, you have to make a square. This is very easy. Just draw 2 triangles. That's all. Just draw 2 triangles. Okay, I am drawing freehand, that's why my lines are not straight, but you try to draw with the help of scale. Moyuk Shamunto, it is not correct, you have to do it again. Moyuk Shamunto, first one and second one both are wrong. You have to make it properly, you have to draw it properly, okay. Try to draw with the help of the scale and pencil. With the help of the scale and pencil, try to draw it again. Now come to number 4. Use pieces 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and draw this one. Now with the help of pieces 1, pieces 2, piece 3, piece 4 and piece 5, you have to make this shape as it is shown in number 4. As it is shown in number 4, okay. So let us try to draw number 4 with pieces 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. This is a little bit difficult, okay. So you have to draw it in a very concentrated manner. Yes, it will be somewhat like this. The last one is little bit difficult, so students, do it properly. The fourth one. Yes, Aniruddha, it is correct, but the gapping will be less. the gapping will be less. Okay, it is correct, but the gapping will be less. Students, quickly draw this one also. No, Aniruddha, it is correct, it is wrong. The fourth one is little bit difficult, so draw it properly. See the book, see the board and draw it properly. See the board and draw it properly. Here 5 pieces are involved. Pieces 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 pieces are involved in number 4th one. 5 pieces are involved in number 4th one. Okay. So try to draw it properly. Aniruddha, that is wrong. You draw it again and then upload it in the chat box. Completed? Completed? Students, completed? Now come to the next topic. Page number 69, the next topic. Come to page 69. See, weaving patterns. Weaving patterns. Golu and Binu went to the market with their aunt. They saw many rugs or daris. Now see, Golu and Binu, these two, they have went to the market with their aunt and they have come across many rugs, or rugs is also known as daris. Okay. So, not the question, before that, see, Golu is saying, wow, so many colors, and Binu, she is saying, so many shapes, circles, triangles, and see the pattern. So, the boy, she is seeing that there are so many colors of rugs are there, and the girl, she is watching or she is observing the different shapes which are included in that rugs with different types of patterns. Okay. Yes, Moyuk, it is correct. Very good, Moyuk, it is correct. Moyuk Mondol. Snehanjan, the first one, it is correct, but there is a lot of gap, and the fourth one is wrong. You have to do it fourth one again. There is no matching between the shapes. No, Aniruddha, this is wrong. The fourth one is wrong. There is no matching. You have to do the fourth one. Okay. There is nothing matching in fourth one. Yes. Now come to the books. The first question of weaving pattern. Which geometrical shapes can you identify in these borders? Now look at the borders and you have to say that which shapes is included in the borders. Can you answer which shape is included in the borders? And then draw them in your notebook. Yes, Linoy, it is correct. Linoy, the first one is wrong, otherwise second, third, fourth is correct. Linoy, first is wrong, second, third and fourth is correct. Okay, now come to page number 69. Page number 69, I am writing the answer first, you will write in the book. The answers you will write in the book. Okay. Which geometrical shapes can you identify in the borders? See, in the first one, you can see circle and square. So, you will write circles, comma, squares. It is identified, isn't it? Red circle and yellow square. The first one, red circle and yellow square. Then draw them in your notebook. This is homework to you, you will draw it in your notebook. Aditi, the first one is correct, second one, there is a lot of gapping, second one is wrong, third and fourth is correct. Aditi, first one is correct, Third one is correct, fourth one is correct, but second one is wrong. You have to do it again. There is a lot of gapping. Gapping should not be there. Gapping is there, but not so much. Okay. Snehanjan also. Third one is correct, but fourth one is wrong. Why everyone is doing the fourth one wrong? Take your time to draw the fourth one. It is little bit tough. It is little bit tough. So try. Aniruddha again wrong. Aniruddha, it is wrong. Try to do it again. Okay, now come to the next question of page 69. Is any shape repeating in a particular pattern? Which one? Is any shape repeating? Yes, the shapes are repeating, isn't it? And they all are repeating according to a pattern. Means first is square, then circle, then square, again circle, like this way, one by one they are repeating. Now, are the shapes made of curved lines, straight lines, or both curved and straight lines? All the shapes they are made up of which one? Both. I am writing answer 3. Both. You will give a tick mark in your book. Both curved and straight lines. Both curved and straight lines. Give a tick mark in both curved and straight lines. Snehanjan, it is wrong. Yes, the next question. Look at your clothes, your mother's sari, shawls, rugs and mats. Can you identify some patterns? Draw them in your notebook. See the last question of page 69. The last question of page 69. Here it is told to observe the saris which is being worn by your mother and the shawls or the rugs if you have in your home. Just observe it and see what pattern they are following. Okay, and try to identify that which patterns they are following and you draw them in your book. This is an activity, you will do it of your own. Try to draw in your copy. Okay, whatever sari or your mother is wearing, the shawl or whatever she is wearing, try to draw the patterns in the copy. Means observe it first and then you try to draw it in your copy. Okay. Listen, for number 4th one of page 68, if you are not able to draw the pieces, it's better you do the division of pieces. You do the division of pieces. How you will do the division of pieces? See, there is a just easy way to draw this 4th one. There is one easy way to draw this 4th one. It is given like this, isn't it? In your book, it is given like this. So, first you break it. It will be like this when you are breaking. When you are breaking, it will be like this. Then you try to draw. Then you try to draw. Okay. See, number 4th. This type of picture is given in your book, the blank picture. Okay, I have divided the picture like this and then just the gaps I have made like this. Okay, for number 4. First of all, you divide the picture as I have shown like this way and then you have the gaps, then it will be okay to you. Then you can draw it. Okay, there is a problem for 4th one. Everyone has a problem for 4th one. So, try to draw like this. Try to draw like this. Yes, Linoy, it is correct. Linoy, it is correct. All the 4 pictures are right. All the 4 pictures are correct. Okay. today up to this page only we will do. The next, that is the next topic of page number 70 we will discuss in our next class. So, for today bye all of you, and you practice the patterns up to page number 69, okay. And the tangram also you practice at home, because questions will come from the tangram to draw. So, bye all of you for today.